Protection. Protection man. I need to use eye contact.
Sorry?
I need to use eye contact as much as possible.
Eye contact?
Eye contact because I'm a single person.
Go for a simple girl.
But I want simple girl and honest girl.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Simple, honest girl.
I don't like gold diggers. I don't like gold diggers. because
These days, majority of them are.
because I'm not a bad guy. You
Mm.
know. But too low.
You can stop after this. I want to visit Mizoram.
Yeah. When?
I have no plans. I'm just wishing, you know.
But don't worry. Your baby is in Mizoram.
But I still try if there's slot for 1 2 weeks.
Yeah,
We'll try that.
that's a good plan.
No one
Or
knows.
that's a good dream. Or
A dream can die in one year.
dream condition like that.